Now one program to print element of the list QWERTY. This is Quadri. Quadri is a type of keyboard, you can say. Now it says that print element of the list this in separate line along with the element both index positive and negative. Now for this, what they have done, first of all they have counted the length of it, and this is a function I have told you already. Now range length they have written means 0 to length minus 1 comma 1. In short we can write directly length. Next index at index a is what? This a. The value of this a will be 0 in starting, because as I have told you 0 to length minus 1 comma 1, so it will be 0, and here it will be 0 minus length is 5, so minus 5, length is 6, length is 6, so 6 will get display. For the next time value of a will be, value of a this time is 0, next time it will be 1, so 1 will get display, and here it will get display 1 minus 6, that is minus 5, and so on. It will go till length minus 1. Length is how much? 6. So this is the program asked for. Now next point is comparing the list with greater than, smaller than, equals to, not equals to. We can apply a comparison operator also. So they have initialized two lists, 1 and 2, and third is this one. So question asked is L1 is equals to L2. Yes, it is equal, so it is true because both are same. Next, L1 is equals to L3. No, it is not, because in this sub list is made, means nested list is made, so it is different from L1. L1 is this. Now L1 is smaller than L2. It is false because both are same, so it is false. But when they ask L1 is smaller than L3, it cannot be checked, because in L3 we have sublist also, and L1 we do not have, so it cannot be checked with each other. So some examples are here to check. You can see these examples and you can practice in your computer or mobile. Now here are some more examples. This also you practice by your own. These are practice questions only, nothing new in this. Next is the joint that I have told you, concatenation plus list 1, list 2, list 1 plus list 2. It will get display, but it is not stored. It is not stored in anything, so it will get display only. But if you want to store, then in place of this line you can write list 3 is equals to list 1 plus list 2. As they have done here, list is equals to list 1 plus list 2 plus list 3. Now new list has been formed with the name list, LST. You can use any variable that you know, nothing to tell you about this. Next is we cannot add an element like this, because list is of different type and this is of different type. This is of list type and this is of int type, so we cannot add int to a list. Similarly, we cannot add a string to a list. That's all class, till here only we are going to do today, and you make it you do it practically. I want you to do it practically. That's all class.